I've reached platinum level.
$20. So
$20 I'm gonna add.
10.
Add 10 from the 20. Does that look like a real dog to you? If not. Yeah, that was definitely for the same person. Yeah, do 2 orders for one person, separate orders, different places.
Yeah, I paused it because
I paused it because I am beat.
I'm gonna head towards the house.
I'm gonna head back home.
I'm beat there. I've been driving since.
I've been driving since 4 a.m. Drugs, alcohol, and gambling. Same freaking story. Share the same solution. So that's it for now.
How much you get?
You worried about my half that you're getting?
I'm gonna give you cash right
I'm
now.
gonna give you cash right now, lady. Don't you worry. I'm beat. Going back home. Go take a nap.
How much is it, baby?
Hold on, let me finish doing something.
I'm trying to add your own $10.
Okay, $19
Hey, come on,
$50 plus $10 plus $3 plus $5 plus $10. 19, 20, 19, 20, 30, 38.50. 10, 20, 30, no, 48.50.
Babe,
It's not a little 20, 30,
yeah.
45, 48,
So if I check, if I see that
$48
it's I'm gonna deduct
and
$5.
50 cents. I'm telling you, it's $48.50.
So if I check and see that you're cheating me, I'm gonna deduct.
$19.50
I'm
plus
gonna
$10
deduct
plus $3 plus $5 plus $10 is equal to $48.50. If you're not in that right and you try to get me off, I'm taking $5 from your pay.
Docking $5 out of it. No, you try, whatever you're trying to cheat is how much I'm gonna dock.
Thank you. Come again. Paid. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright? I'm gonna check it.
Thank you.
Alright?
Come again.
I'm gonna
That's
double check
funny
it.
because we have the traffic cam that says, not cam, but the traffic meter says do the speed limit, which is 25, and it says thank you. But you're still welcome. Oh my God, look at all that water. Look at that pond. There's a lot
Oh
of
no,
ponds
don't
out
tell me
here.
we got an order, babe.
I thought you just paused it.
I did.
Wait, let's see the amount. Oh, $37.55. Oh, that's your summary. Done. Stay busy with lots of offers.